I'll tell you 3M real quickly. They are out with an adjusted number of $2.16 a share. That's better than the street was expecting. Street was looking for $2.03. Revenue number also coming in better than expected. That came in at 8.07 billion versus the 7.91 billion that the street had been anticipating. The company, like just about every other company we've heard from, is withdrawing its guidance for the full fiscal year. They say it's just too hard to figure out how long the pandemic's going to last. They can't figure out the full duration, the magnitude, or the pace of recovery across all of these things. Of course, 3M has been in the spotlight so much because of the pandemic, because they make those N95 respirator masks. They touch on some of that, too, just saying that they're very proud of their employees, proud of the fact that they think they've been leading in pandemic response and working with places to try and supply the most critical areas, while also trying to do things like fighting fraud and price gouging when it comes to that, working with distributors and governments on all of those fronts. The company is also, though, talking about how their own plan is being affected by the virus and what's happening with it. They are reducing their capital expenditures for the full year. They now say that they'll be spending closer to about $1.3 billion versus the $1.6 to $1.8 billion they had been talking about before. They say that they will take aggressive cost reductions while minimizing employee impact, meaning, I guess, that they'll be trying to save as much money without laying off as many people as possible. They say that estimated cost savings will be $350 to $400 million in the second quarter of 2020. With the capital allocation plans, they'll be prioritizing organic investments and the dividend. And that's important to be pointing out that they're protecting the dividend. But they do say that they'll be suspending share repurchases for now. Joe, you want to talk about Caterpillar? 3M, by the way, up by 2.5%.